took some entries here early before 1 o'clock, looking for the 1:30 pivot. All right, so they came back from lunch. This is the 1:30 print here. We would like to see them take it down. All right, and then come back around 1:50, 2 o'clock, and try to come back and test this print. This print here, right? This is the 1:30 print here. So we like them to take it down and then come back and test it. I put on one micro, and that guy is up, I don't know, $85. So this is a 1:30 print, a 1:30 back from lunch print, but I front run it a little early. I was late. I should have got it up here, and then I would have been booking profit by now, right? But I took these guys that went against me. I stay in them, and then I time it, and I took this guy here. So I'll take this down. We up $60 here. We flat here, and see if they're gonna take it down anymore, right? I'm using this. See this setup we had from this morning. Come up to this level, right? Then it fail again. Remember, it blow through this level here. Came back here to the value area. The same scenario. Looking for the pullback. This 1:30 print worked this way. The market come down. The 1:30 print come. The market will go up or go down. And then we look to trade it so it could come back and test this print here. You see this line here? Say US back, right? This line here. What we'd like them to do is take it down, and then we look for them to take it back up and test this print, right? That would be the setup. This was up here was the right place to take it. I was waiting to see if you guys come back, so they're not taking it down yet. They should have taken it down already, right? Kind of quasi mix-up trend here. Red cloud, right? We're not getting nothing. We're in chop mode right now on this guy, on NQ, right? No real trend. Yeah, it actually taken NQ up, but you look to short it back to the 130 print, right? So anybody back? I know Cancel had to go. We still in these 130 trade, right? See if it come down here at 152 o'clock, then I would take them off, right? Because it could come back and pivot up. While looking to see if we get a bigger pullback, take them off, make some money. The E-mini one is working nice, right? This is a particular trade, time of day trade, right? We got a micro here, and we got a YM micro. The wire micro. So here we get the flushy. We got a wire micro. We got an NQ micro. The wire micro is up a couple bucks. This micro and the E-mini is making some money here, right? This is a particular trade, specified trade where we take it into the 1/3, take the 1/3 time frame down, and then we look to get out, right? So the YM we were up, I don't know, $20, when you're up $9, right? So we see, I think the trade is over here around 150, right? So we could book the profit here on NQ here, NQ here. This is 150. We out on YM. So we up, I don't know, 170, no, 50, 165, and we up $9 on this 2 YM. That's a quick scalp play, right? It's a Pacific play. We short the market into the 1/3 time frame, and we get out around 150, 2 o'clock. So YM is going against us. We take it off. We get a $6 win. We're done. We just make $170 real fast, right? What they usually do is come back and test this 1/3 print. So they drop down and then come back and test. This is the 1/3 print here. Here, you get the drop, and then you come down 1/3 print. It get the drop, and then we see they come back and test this print here, right here, right? Come back and test that print. 1/3 print, drop, come back, test the print, right? That was the setup. It didn't work as well as normally work, but you know, they look like they're gonna drop it here. Okay, then try to take it down one more time. Maybe to push it down here, hard here, right? He came down, pivoted back, but he's in a downtrend, so he should come down back, hopefully, right? Or they come back and test the 1/3 print, and then they take it down again, right? So the 1/3 print, YM came right back to it. 1/3 print here. YM drop, came back to 1/3 print here. See? NQ 1/3 print here. He didn't make it all the way up there, but YM did. Drop, came back to the 1/3 print. NQ, I'm looking to a drop. All right. Looking at drop back here. If he break the VPOC, he comes low. All right. If he break this VPOC, he break this swing and come down here or here. Maybe to 62, right? So if he come back to 62, then run back up and test the 1/3 print, right? So got fill in 1 NQ, E mini, and we up $55. He could pivot right off of this here, right? So it's in a downtrend. He could pivot and then fall. So he come here, high or low, pivot up back, and then we'll see if he could make his way back down, right? So if you got a trade like this, you trail, you stop. So if you get stop up, you make a few bucks. If he fall like he did now, you're up $100. See, So you come back, you get that pivot, you can pivot up back again. All right. But I take the $75, $65 and done with the trade. So we make $300 on this setup. Right. 300 plus on the 130 time frame strategy, right? That's it. I won't try to take any more trade here with this setup. It either have to come down and then I'll take it up back. But that's a quick, nice trade, okay?